Today I'm going to show you how to create your own animated 3D kids short movie using free AI tools right from your phone. This project is inspired by the movie Banyard. You can find this movie on many platforms. We are not copying anything from it, but simply taking inspiration from its style, like the talking animals, the bright farm environment, and the fun storytelling. We are going to create something original, simply and perfect for kids. So the first thing that you need to do, you start with the ChatGPT. This is where everything begins. You give a ChatGPT a clear prompt to generate your short movie idea. Your prompt should ask for a short story about 1 minute long, a scene breakdown, character actions, dialogue, camera movements, image generation prompts, and video generation prompts. So adjust the idea however you like it, make it fun, creative, and emotional. Once you send your prompt, ChatGPT will generate a full story with everything you need. The result, go through it carefully, make sure it includes a clear scene, a simple character, dialogue for each scene, a camera direction like zoom, a pen or tracking, image prompts for each scene, and video prompts for animations. So before we start creating the scenes, the most important step is to create your main character space. This helps you to keep your character consistent throughout the entire video. So we are going to generate the face and look of each character and then reuse the same prompt in every scene. So we're going to create the environment of the character that they will be acting on. Okay, so now take the image prompt from your ChatGPT, go to any image generation platform you like. For example, you can go to Nano Banana, Leonardo AI, or any other free AI image generator. So I'm going to be using Nano Banana on Higgsfield AI. So let's just copy the first prompt. Let's just copy the first prompt for the character, and then we're gonna come here to field. So I'm gonna just search for Higgsfield here. So this is the Higgsfield AI. So we're gonna search for Nano Banana. So I'm gonna just click on this, and then we come here to, let me just delete what is already there, paste my first prompt here, and then do this. Okay, so I'm gonna click on unlimited so that they don't take my credit. Okay, and then here we're gonna click on the size of the image. So if you are looking to create this on so it depending on what you're creating the images for, which platform. So we are creating this for YouTube. So I'm gonna go with 16:9, and then I'm gonna come here to the quality. So the quality will be 2K or 1K. So I'm gonna choose the 2K, and then the number of the batch sizes, we're gonna just leave that one out, and then you click generate. Okay, so here is the result for the first animal. Okay, and then we've got the environment as well, and then also the second animal. Okay, so now we are done with the characters. We need to do the scene right now, so we need to move to the scene part. Okay, so now we are on the scene part. All I'm going to be doing right now, I'm going to bring all those three characters, two characters, and then also the environment to the platform so that it can just copy as a reference. So it's going to be like using those as to keep the consistency of our characters. Okay, so I'm gonna just click on here. Okay, so all of the images are already here. So what I need to do now is to come here to the prompt, and then I'm gonna paste the prompt for the first scene, and then click here and make sure that all the settings are correct. 16:9, 2K resolution, and then we click generate. Okay, so all our images are here. So we are done with this part. So now we're gonna need to move to the second part. So firstly, you need to make sure that you download all your images so that you will be able to use them. Okay, so you can just download the one that you love. So I'm gonna go with this one. What we're going to use is gonna be a Grok AI. So we're gonna come here to imagine, and then we're gonna click on video. Then here we're going to add the image that we're going to use. and then we're going to go with animate images. So we're going to choose the images accordingly. So it's going to start with the image one. So we're going to move to ChatGPT together. Okay, so this is the video prompt. So we're going to click on it and go back to the Grok AI. I'm going to put it right here. And then I'm going to go back again and then collect the other information. Okay, so I'm going to paste another information here. This is the action and the dialogue and also the camera movement. Okay, so when everything is ready, you just click generate. And then here we've got our first results.
Wow, what a beautiful day!
That's so cute. All right, so we can actually just come here. Okay, so we can just get the second one. Let's just do this again. So you're going to repeat this method up until you are done with all your images. So my my short clip is going to be about, it's going to have like at least 4 scenes. Okay, so it's very short. Okay, so I'm gonna just click it done and then go to ChatGPT and then get the second scene. This is the video prompt, and then I'm gonna go back to Grok AI and then paste it right here and then go back to ChatGPT again, other information. So this is the action, so I'm gonna do the copy. I'm gonna just copy it like here, like so, and then just go back to the Grok AI. So with this one, you can also use any other platform that you prefer. And then when the image is already, so it's not ready, let's just upload the image again. So I'm gonna click right here, animate the images, and then I'm gonna click on this image and click done. And then we're gonna wait for this image to appear on this side. So now it's still busy uploading. The image is ready. The arrow is also facing up with the light color. That means everything is up to date. Then we can just click on generate. Once all your clips are ready, you can put all your videos clips together like so, and then you can arrange them in order, like scene 1 and then 2, this is C3, so you know how to arrange them. And then after that you can add the voiceover, and or else since the video has a dialogue, you can just exclude that. Okay, and then again you can include the background music or a sound effects. There are lots of places where you can get the free music or sound effects. Okay, so now your video is ready. You can upload it to your YouTube, and so that's it. We've just created your own 3D animated kids movie using AI. Start simple, stay creative, and keep improving with each video. We'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.